If it appears that you have a leak in your roof and it's not raining, and you know you don't have any leaking pipes, it can be frustrating not knowing what the problem is. This video goes over why this commonly happens, whether or not it's an actual roof problem, and what you can do to fix it. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Let's get into it. What is the cause of roof leaks when it's not raining? What has you thinking that you have a roof leak, but it's not raining outside, it's probably not a roof leak at all. It's probably not even an issue with your roof. I've found 3 common problems that we run into time and time again over the course of the last 30+ years in the roofing industry. The first one is pretty simple. It's where a tub upstairs has not had the overflow drain hooked up to the plumbing, so when Johnny gets in and starts playing in the tub and overfills it and it runs over, then it's going to cause a leak in the ceiling below. Most of the time those happen in the evening. The next one is a problem that happens on very hot sunny days, and it's when the air conditioning unit that's up in the attic is working really hard, and the condensation line is filling up the pan that's underneath it, and that line has been stopped up with, say, a dirt dauber or a wasp nest, and all of a sudden that pan starts running over, and then you have a leak either in a hallway ceiling or maybe in a bedroom ceiling upstairs. The next one is not as common, but it does happen when we start getting very humid days in the summertime, and normally it happens with a room that has a cathedral ceiling in it. I've seen water running down the walls in a room that has a cathedral ceiling, and what is happening is the hot air up at the top of the ceiling is mixing with the cool air below it, and it's causing condensation, and then that water starts running down the walls. And although these situations don't have anything to do with the roof, we've found some simple solutions to take care of these problems. How can you fix these issues? The first one is simple. Just have a plumber come out, and they normally have to cut the wall out behind the tub in a closet, or maybe in the closet in a bedroom that backs up to that tub, and make sure that that drain is actually, the overflow drain is actually hooked up to the plumbing. The second one is normally an HVAC guy will come out, service the unit while they're there, and they'll take a little CO2 cartridge with a connector on the end of it and put it at the outlet of that pipe and spray some air into it, and it clears out any obstructions so the water can flow out of that drain pan underneath your air conditioning unit. The third one is a little more detailed, and you're definitely going to have to get your HVAC company involved. Normally when there's that much humidity in the home, a dehumidifier hooked up to your AC unit should take care of that issue, along with maybe some fans, a ceiling fan or some fans in the room, just circulating that air so there's not that mixture of the warm air and the cool air at such a drastic time. Now you know the common causes of roof leaks when it's not raining, and they're actually not even roof leaks. For more information on how to fix a true roof leak, click on our link below or at the end of this video and watch our video on how to prevent roof leaks. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other customers like you can get the education they need to make those informed buying decisions. We'll see you on the next one.